session.
So should I ask the doubts tomorrow, Pratap?
Today only, later you can ask. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So today we will start with.
To the next. It is good.
Okay, okay. So today we will start working with, we say, UI or application, and making some reports and analysis, and we will see how to search for various objects in catalog and all these concepts. Okay, and we will even see how to create some basic analysis and save them under a particular folder. So we'll see all these concepts. Okay, so for that we have to open our analytics application first. So let me open my application. Okay, so everything that you store in application will be stored in a place called catalog. So how can you open that catalog or see the objects that present in those catalog? Or there is an option called catalog here. Got stuck, 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so what happens with respect to WebLogic user? Under catalog we have two folders. You will have two folders for any user when you log in. One is my folders and one is shared folders. My folders is like your personalized folders. Whatever you want to save for your reference, you are saving it under my folders. And if you want to share some content or a report or a dashboard with group of people, you always keep it under shared folders. And there are a lot of options here called show quick access, like you can create favorites, and you can even see your folder structure here. Okay, and here also you can see your folders pane, or if you don't want to see it, you can just click on this button. See your folders, this one is gone. And here to navigate back into your previous folder, like if I am clicking on subject area contents, sample sales, right? If I want to go back to subject area, I can do this, and if I want to go back to folder, my folders, I can do this like this. And this is just for refresh, and this is like if you want to create any new analysis, dashboard filter, dashboard prompt, or anything, you can create even from here also. The same option, whatever you can do from here, the same thing can be done from here as well. And you have different types of views of your this one, like you can go for descriptive or details, so you can even see like this also, or you can even see in a list view like this. So it is up to you, like Windows folders, however you feel comfortable, you can store it in that. And you have a search option as well available. So here you have binoculars, right? So you can see, suppose say I want to see sales by state. I want to see something called sales, search. So do you see, I am looking for all the types. Now just look at for analysis if there is anything. So you can see there are some many things like customer sales, formatted sales, anything which contains sales and the type is like analysis, that will be displayed. And you can even copy the full name, like formatted sales by state is there, right? The same thing, and you can even search for that. State and search. You have formatted sales by state and formatted sales by state comma west region. So anything like pattern matching, if this matches this, it will come. Not only here, there is something called search option in the top also. You can even search here also. So you have something called formatted sales by state. In my folders there are two things which even got we got here also, and one more thing is under shared folders also we have something called formatted sales by state. So we are getting this one as well. And if you want to look in only shared folders also, you can go here and search. There is only one thing in shared folder. It is up to you after creating a particular analysis. If you want to search, you can search it from the global header, or you can even search it in the catalog binocular search option. You can look out for a particular word and search for your reports or dashboards or anything, because type is all type. See how many types are there. It may be a condition, it may be a group, it may be a data model, it may be a dashboard, anything like that. Okay, like this. Now let us see how to create a new analysis. You guys are pretty much comfortable with creating an analysis, so we'll start basically from creating an analysis. So just observe how we are doing this. So new analysis, select a subject area. So this will take you to our report development window, our analysis window. Here now I want to look into state and which customer and their corresponding dollars. Okay, results. So now I have state, customer, dollars, and I have two options here. One is save button, one is save as. First time save and save as work both will work in same way. Save as or save, anything will work in both way for the first time. But for the second time, if you give save as, your first report is still there. If you save this as report one, and if you save one more save as report two, both copies will be there. But if you just click on save, only report one will get just saved. Your work will keep getting saved. Yeah, your work will keep getting saved. Now let me give name of this as sales by state analysis. So how to do that? Create, just click on save analysis, click on this button. This will automatically take you to my folders, and I have created one more folder called as my sales here. So how to create my sales folder? Just go back. There is an option called a new folder option in the window. So just create new folder. You can create which folder you want. The same thing is available under shared folders or my folders or anything. But still I want to save it under my sales as sales by state. Okay, just click on OK. An item with name sales by state already exists. Do you want to override? I want to override this. So you have sales by state, and automatically your title also got changed. You see this? This is a title view. This we call it as a table view. Combination of views, we call it as a compound layout. On the top, do you see one compound layout is there? Combination of views, we call it compound layout. In one compound layout, you can have n number of views. You can have any types of views. You can have a table view, you can have a graph, you can have anything. Right? Now, as of now, I am seeing this as a scroll bar, right? Vertical scroll bar. I don't want to have this. So there is something called edit view. And there is one more called format container. This we call it as format container. We will see the use of these two. This is like deleting your view from your compound layout. Click on your edit view. So this will edit table view properties. And here there is something called XYZ. We call it as table view properties. Click on that. There is something called fixed headers with scrolling content. I don't want scrolling content. I want content paging. Like I want 1 to 25, 25 to 30 like. So for that just click on OK. Click on done. So you see here now you have 101 to 125 rows. This is for all the rows. Just click on this. It will display all the available number of rows. So there are 136 customers which are available in this application. Okay, and by each state they are separated out. Okay, by default dollars, what happens? Click on column properties, data format, override by default it will just be a number. Okay, just click on OK. Click on results. By default dollars will look like this, but I don't want to look like this. I want to make this as dollar symbol. So how to do that? Go to data format on column properties of a particular column. Click on override default data format. I want to override this. Click on currency. This is a currency, and your currency symbol is dollar. And if you want to have decimals also, it is up to you. So save as default and just see this. There are some options. Save as system-wide default for this data type and save as system-wide default type for dollars. So if I do for this data type, all the number columns which are present in my application will always have dollars. Even units ordered, unit shipped, net weight shipped, everything will come as dollar. All the number columns, but I don't want to do that. I want to have save as the system-wide default for dollars. If I do that anywhere in the next report also, if I pull dollars, it will still come as a dollar. Okay. So click on results. Did I click OK? Or I didn't click OK, I guess. Currency, dollar. Currency, dollar, click OK. Now you go and save it there. Column properties, save as system wide default for this one. Click on results, you get dollars. And just let us observe how to create this one. How to align our columns. Now customer, how you are able to see to the left aligned, right? Completely left aligned. Now I want to make it as center aligned. Okay, just observe how to do that. Under style, you have something called as cell alignment. Like horizontal alignment for a cell is by default it is left, right? So make it center. Vertical alignment keep like that. Just click OK. Click on results. So do you see now this is center aligned? The values all are center aligned, right? Criteria. And if your column heading also, if you want central alignment, you can make it like. So is it center aligned, right? So you can make your alignments, and if you want the same format to be, this format to be copied to other cells, what you can do, just go here, go to column properties. There is something called as copy cell format. Copy this format, click on OK, go to state, column properties, and there is something called paste cell format. Just paste it. By default, center and top from the other cell has come up here. Just click OK, and you can see that even state is aligned in the center now. Agent has from left, it has come to center.
We can't do it for one.
For each cell you have to do. This is cell wise, for column wise if you want. And if you want to erase that property, what you can do, go to state, column properties, and there is something called clear all the cell formats that you used. Yeah, just do that, it will be default. Here also just do that, it will be default. And how to change your column heading? Go to column properties, column format. I don't want to have any custom headings. Click OK. Click on results. Okay, still alignment is not done. So how to remove that alignment? Column properties, column format, default system align. So click OK. So you put back all your changes to this one. And if you want to save your work, just click on save button. If you click on save as, it will ask you to give one more analysis name. Now if I give sales by state new, sales by state as well as sales by state new will be there. Suppose if I give new, click as, this will become sales by state new. Now go to catalog and just look out for this name. Under my sales I saved this, right? So just search for my folders, my sales, sales by state. Just search. So, and I want analysis. So you have sales by state as one, and you have sales by state new. Both you have. And I want to delete this. How to delete? Click on more. Click on delete. This will go on. You still have sales by state. How to open this from here? Just click on open. You will be taken to our window. So just click on edit button here. So how to, where does your edit button present? So here. So this will take you to this window back again. Okay. So this is how you create a basic analysis and save it under a folder. So that is what you did here. Let us create one more analysis. So how to do this? Create new analysis from supplier sales, and just from product, pull your product hierarchy and fact sales dollars. Click on results, and just I want to save this as product sales. Okay, this product sales I am just saving it as a product sales analysis, and I have one product hierarchy column and corresponding dollars. Okay, now let us see how to format our sales by state report into a meaningful, much more colorful report and much more meaningful way. How you want to display it like that. Okay, so for that what we have formatted sales by state report looking like this. Now I want to make my report like this based on different criteria. Okay, now I want to make this report to look like this. So what we want to do to make this appear like this, we will see how it is. Now see, customer background color has changed. Dollars is being ordered in a descending order. All this we will see. So now for this what I have to do, go to catalog, just search for your report that is created, sales by state, search for this. Just click on open, click on edit.
We can directly go there from the edit column. There we have option edit column. Open edit.
There also you can, yeah, anything is. Okay, now my customer column background I want to make it orange color or something like that. How to do that? Go to criteria. Anything you want to do with respect to a column should be done under column properties. Go to column format. Column heading, you have background color. Select something as orange. So did your column heading change? So anything with respect to column, you have to go to column properties, column format. For a heading, if you want to make change for heading. And you have values also, repeated values or something. And if for all the values, if you want different style, and even if you want different background color for all the values, you can give it here also.
If you want to save it to the other,
you can copy and save. Yeah, like this it comes. But I don't want this to happen. So for values, I am removing it. Go to column properties and just clear this. I don't want to have anything here for values. Click on results. Now we will have it like. Now I want to order $C's. I have -40 first, 224 first, 275 first. then 938, 1014 in a random order. But I don't want this to happen. I want my dollars, my state to be starting with AJ, from like AZ, CA, CT like this, and my dollars to be started with descending order. Then we have to go for add descending sorts. So click on results. So do we have for state AJ, for the first state, you have 275 first, 224 first, and minus 40 first. Okay, like this. Everything for a particular state will be ordered in descending order of the revenue. So in state aged, Tongswo is the restaurant which is taking my products more. And in state CA, compound is the restaurant which is taking my products more. Like this. So I'm just ordering them in a descending order. Okay. So you can use multiple options and make all those combinations. Now, what else I want? I want to see for dollars, if it is less than 2,50,000, right? That is very less for me. I want to see all those values in red color. If it is in between 2,50,000 and 5 lakh, I want it to have in blue color. Otherwise, more than 5 lakh is okay for me. I want it to have in green color. So how to do that in a particular column is you have to go for some concept called as conditional format. So this is again a column level property. Go to column properties. There is something called conditional format. Click on conditional format, add condition. You can add condition based on all the columns that you pulled in your report. Click on dollars. Is less than or equal to, sorry, is less than 2,50,000. Right? Then I want the background color, not the background color. I want the font color to be red. Okay. And you can keep it bold also, style as bold. Okay, see, however appears that value 1 to 3 is there, right? That automatically changes however you want. Add one more condition on dollars. If it is between 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, yeah. If it is in between that, I want the font color to be blue color and keep it bold. And if it is greater than that, if dollars is greater than, then green color. So this is not any filter which is given at report level. At a column level, I am not even giving the filter. I am conditional formatting. That means if a particular value is there, then what should happen? That is what I am defining in a display values itself. That's it. So how to do that? Just click on results now. You see that which is between 2,50,000 and 5 lakh is always blue, and which is greater than 5 lakh, like 5 lakh 33, everything is in green color. Everything which is less than 2,50,000, you see it in red color, like this. Okay. And if you want to save this work as a different name, I told you now this report is sales by state. I am making changes to this report. Just click on save as formatted sales by state. I am formatting it, right? So I want to make it a more meaningful name, formatted sales by state. Click on OK. So this is already there because for previous batches I created. Just click on OK. So automatically your name of the report changes and your sales by state will still exist with the previous changes. That won't include all these changes because we are making save as with a new name. Whatever is the previous save, that will be there for sales by state. Okay. Same thing. Now your dollars is there, everything is there. Now what else I want? Okay, now I want a format container to make something in yellow color. Yeah, like this. Okay, now okay. Let us see how to add this yellow color for my table view completely. So how to do that is you have an option called as format container. So how does this format contains? If you want something, just click on here. There is something called as background color of this format. So just click on here, you select yellow color and just click OK. The whole background color will change to yellow in color, and for this also you can do the same thing. So the background color of this changes to yellow color. Okay, and you can change your title view also. Click on title view. As of now, display saved name. Whatever name you save it with your analysis, title will display same thing. If you want to display a different name, you can write your own name, and you can have the formatting additionally for the title also. Okay, as of now, just give display saved name. So you see this, it will appear like this. And if you want to have any logo or image, you can even add that logo image and all this. Okay. So anything, you can make your customizations however you want. Just click on done. So formatted sales by state, I made changes. Just click on save button. These changes will get saved. And on the top of this report, I want one more report. I don't want to display like this. I want to display rank of each value, each dollar. So how to do that? Go to criteria. There is something called edit formula. I want to display ranks. I don't want to display dollars. There is something called function here. Insert a function, right? So insert a function here. Go to, there is something called display functions.
DB.
Here I have something called as rank. Okay. So just select a rank function and just select fact sales dollars. Just click OK. So just see here, I have 136.71 and each and every value present at a different level. Okay. And if you want to observe dollars also, again you can see dollars. So you see minus 40 here. So that is at 136th rank. Okay. I don't want to have like this. For each state, I want to see which is at the top and which is at the bottom. Okay. So just go to criteria.
We getting dollars.
We can remove for that, no issues. Okay. Okay, here. So what I want to do, rank I want to do it by state, each state. So by, you can do by customer state. So for each state I want to do, so rank by state. So click on results. So rank dollars by state 321. So minus 40 is at the last. First one is your 2,75,000. And how you can sort your rank? Sort in ascending order. Like this. This is first, this is second. Your tax work is top in your AJ. Your CA, this one is top. Like this. Okay. And I don't want to display dollars also. Just remove this. Click on results. And I don't want to have rank as a dollar symbol. What you can do, go to column properties, data format, override default data format, make this as just a number, click OK, just click on results. So now it will be 1, 2, 3, so on. Just save this as ranked sales by state. Okay, so the same reports I am saving it in a different way. That's it. Like this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so on. So I am saving it in different way. Right? So you understood how we are doing this, right? So like this. Now, one more thing, let us see. Now I have created one column heading. Now I don't want customer. I want customers or customer name, something like that. Just observe what will happen. Now I want to change my customer heading. So where do I go? Go to column properties, column format, make a custom heading as customer name. Just click on OK. Just observe the results. So it is customer name. Edit your table view and you have your customer name here, right? Edit here. There is something called format headings. Click on format headings. Give the caption of this column as customers. Click OK. Click done. So which is been replaced? Your normal customer name in criteria tab is renamed with most recent customization, which is in table view. So whatever you do at table view or any view level will be preceded. Those changes will be preceded over by the generic ones. Yeah, the generic ones. Whatever you give it in the generic ones, those will be changed over by your table view properties, whatever you are giving it. Okay. So like this is like customers. You can save this under my sales folder. Okay, so this is saved. Now let us see how one more report this we did. Okay, we can make into 1.0 we want to. Okay, now for the same thing, we created one report called as product sales, you remember, where product hierarchy is pulled and dollars I pulled, and I just saved it under my folders. Okay, so for that report what I will do now, conditional formatting I will do for each hierarchy level. So I'll change the name of the column to product hierarchy. So how to do that? Go to your catalog, you have to search for that. My sales, you did product sales, right? So just scroll down. Under P you can see these are sorted in normal way. So click on edit here. So product sales is edited. This is what I created before. So just click on criteria. I don't want this as a product. I want this name as a product hierarchy. Go here, click on column properties, column format. I want the custom headings as product hierarchy. Click on OK. Just expand this hierarchy here itself. You have total, type, subtype, generic, and specific or product detail level. These levels you created it in RPD, and this is a presentation hierarchy, right? Now what is the first scenario is for product totals. See here. Use a conditional format to add the following condition. When dollars is less than 1 lakh, set background color to red. For what? For your hierarchies. So what you have to do, just go here, go to column properties, conditional format, add a condition. So from on product hierarchy column, I am making a conditional formatting with dollars, a different column. So click on dollars. What is less than 1 lakh. Then I should have it in which color? Background color as red. Okay. So you see, anything which is less than 1 lakh, we have frozen grains and lamb in red color. And you see this. All other values also, like after type level you have subtype. Subtype is also in this one. But I want subtype in green color, like this. I want poultry to be in green color. Okay. So what to do for subtype level is go back to your criteria tab, go back here, expand all the levels. For subtype level, go to hierarchy level properties, make a conditional format, and dollars, if it is less than 1 lakh, you will have background color as green. So click on results and just observe. So for frozen, do we have for barley, enriched pasta, instant breads, everything are subtypes. For everything we have this one. Again for poultry, you can see that frozen quail is in red color. Again everything will be in red color, which is less than 1 lakh. But only for subtype it is in green. Okay, like this is. And you can just save this report as product hierarchy sales. Save this as product hierarchy save, just click OK and overwrite it. Okay. Next, we will just see how to work with filters. Just give me a 5-minute break. I'll just have some water and come back. Okay. So any questions in how to make analysis, a basic analysis? So any questions?
So till now it's good.
Okay. Okay. Then we will slowly change, we will slowly increase the complexity, and what we do, we will see how to filter our analysis using our different types of filter criteria. Okay. We'll just see that. Now, yeah, we'll start with adding filters to our analysis and just see. Okay, now just take formatted sales by state report, open this, and now just add a filter to show records only from West region without showing the region column in your results. I don't want to show my region column, but I want to filter the states only which belongs to region West. How to do that? Okay, now to do that, I have to open my formatted sales by report. So I have one thing, open this and just click on edit. Now I have formatted sales by state, go to criteria. I don't want to display region column, but I want to restrict. Just click on results and just observe there are different types of, like 136 total restaurants are there. Some restaurants may not belong to West region, right? So obviously even those should get restricted. So how to do that is go to your criteria, expand your customer, region comes from here. Hold your control button, just click on this and drag and drop it onto your report or criteria tab. Hold your control, that is very essential. So your region is equal to is in West. Just click OK. So your filter is automatically added here. So just click on results. Now just let us see how many total values are there. Do you see 31? Before 136 are there. Some customers may belong to East region, some may belong to Central region, some belongs to West region. So this is how it is categorized and divided. So we have only states that belongs to our West region: AZ, CA, ID, NM, NB, OR, UT, and WA. Okay, like this. Okay, we have only these states belong to West region, and we have dollars revenue for only those columns. Now here, next, use another method to add a second filter to show only records from 2008, like 1998. So I want one more filter. As of now, this report displays for both the years, 1998 as well as 99. So how to do that? Go to your time, hold your control button, drag and drop year onto your report. Just click on this button. You have different years which are present in this table. Select 1998, click on OK. Obviously now records will remain the same, but the data will be different. Okay, for one customer even there is no data for 1998 itself. You have 30 only now, and even here your data is changed. Before it has 275 something revenue. Now only if you take for one thing, it came to 212 511. Okay, for 1 year that data is been eliminated like this. So based on your different filter criteria, your report will display data. I am looking for West region 1998 year data. Okay, like this. Next, save the filter as a named filter for use with the other content. So I want to save this filter and use across other reports also. This 1998 West is there, right? If I want to use this filter with others also, how to do that? So how to do that is just save this report as, save this filter as West region 1998 and save this as this one. So just go here. How to do that? There is an additional arrow buttons here called more options, right? Just click on this. You have something called as save filters. So click on save filters. By default, you will be taken to my folders, subject area contents, and supplier sales subject area. You have to save here, or under shared folders also you can save it. Shared folder, subject area content, supplier. Then only you can use this filter. So let me save it as West region. It's not 2008. It's 1998. Click on. No issues. Let us override. So now do you see this? This has changed like this because I saved this filter. You can view what is this criteria. So this criteria is reason is equal to west and year is equal to 1998. If you want to make any changes to this filter, go to catalog, search for this filter name, make changes there itself. And all those anywhere if 100 reports are using this filter, everywhere this will take effect, get effect. Okay, like a global filter, you can use this. Okay, now this is okay. Now you can save this report also as sales by state West Region 1998. So how to do that? Just click on save as sales by state West Region 1998. Just click OK. Come results. You see sales by state West Region 1998 is there and all the data is also available. Okay. Now create a filter for the current and previous months by using variables. So how to create by using current month and previous month? So I want to use repository variables as filters. You have seen that in an RPD section. When we created current day, current month, current year, you see that we created a repository variable, right? Like that, I want to create a logic for current month and previous month also here. So what is the current month? For us June, okay, but in the sales report it is April. And if I want a previous month, what I should do? Just give -1 for the current month data what we created. So for that, for previous month, what I am doing? Let me create an RPD, one more variable as previous month. So how to create a variable? Manage variables, repository variables. You have dynamic, you have current month already 1999-04. So how to create this one? You can do -1. So you go to initialization blocks, go to current periods. You already have a select here like month code comma year, right? Just give month code -1 comma year comma month code -1, right? Click OK and edit data target. Create a new variable as previous month, right? Skip OK. Okay, now let me use that filter and create a report. Okay, now so for state, customer and dollars, I am adding one more month column and just display data. Okay, for the same report, criteria, open your month, use your month column. Okay, just click on results and it will be at the end now. Just pull it towards left. Okay, now you see May, March, Jan, everything is there. I don't want everything data, all the data. Okay, now remove this. I want to have this filter, remove this filter, and I want to have it only for 1999 April and previous month March. So how to do that? I have a month code filter. There is something called add more options, repository variable. So repository variable name is not is equal to is between. Yeah, correct. Repository variable. What is that? Name of the variable? Current month, right? First is previous month. Previous month and current month. So month code is between previous month and current month. Just click on results. So do you see for March and April? March and April, only two months data you see. Okay. and already your month will be sorted out based on your month code. That's why it is coming as March 1st and then April. And for this strong's work, you see March you see and then April you see like this. Okay. And if you want to group by your customer name, you can just give it as customer. So you have like this. For each customer, you have March, April data like this. Okay. Like this. So you can have your variable filters as well. Okay. So I just want to show how variables can be used as filters. You already saw this while RPD practice, right?
For this previous month and current month, we don't have any option there. Make changes in the report.
Yes, nothing will be readily available. We have to make changes. Okay. Now, adding an inline prompt to analysis. So let me show you what does an inline prompt mean. So before that, let me add customer, region, state, city, and dollars for our analysis. Okay. So what I want to do, create a new analysis. So I will show you what is an inline prompt. So without entering some values into your report, it will not display your report at all. So for that, let me show you customer, region, state, district, customer, fact sales, dollars. Do you see an option? There is something called prompts, right? Click on prompts. So you are displaying those columns, but you can add your prompted columns here. So add on the column prompt, not only on region, you can add on something else also, but let me give it for region first. So how you want it? Is it like a choice list or is it like a prompting arrangement? So enable to use user to select multiple values, enable user to type values. I don't want, just you want to select it. And include all column values in the choice list is okay. A default selection, okay, this is okay. So you can see it here how it appears. So it appears like this. Now next I want to add state prompt, and I don't want to user to type any value. I want to limit values by all the prompts, all other prompts. Click OK. So suppose what does that mean? If I select West, right, your state also will automatically get. Is it displaying everything?
Yeah, you give it all from.
Okay, no issues. During that time, right, it gives no issues. Do all prompts, no issues. Okay. So for region, state, and I can add some more other column prompt also, like more columns, like year. Just click on save this report as my inline column filter. Okay, I saved this already. So just open that my inline column filter already, which is yeah, I canceled this. I created my inline prompt filter, right? I'll just show you. Just open this. So by default, it asks you to enter all the values. Otherwise, it will not display whatever is there in criteria. So let me select region as West. By default, your state will get restricted to only those values. And here you can have California or CA, some state, and city as Los Angeles. Click OK. You will have customer, region, state, city, and their corresponding dollars. Okay. This is called inline column filters prompts. So without entering those values, it will not even display your report also. Okay, like this. Next, we will see using a saved analysis as a filter. Okay, so if you already saved one of the analysis and how to use that as a filter for one more analysis. Okay, so we will see how to use that. Suppose I want to restrict results of one report in the other report. So how to do that? So now for this I should have two reports by default. I have one already, one as customers West region 1999. This is already there for me. Okay, and I'll create one more thing. And I'll just select it as customer sales West region 1999. So just observe how these two reports are present. So first what I will do, I'll create a new analysis. Otherwise, let us create one more entirely new reports and just see. First observe this customer, I want region, fact sales, dollars, and customer also you can take if you want. And region you can give filter as region West. So for each region, for each customer, you have only region column as West, nothing else. You have only West. So just save this as customer West region 1999. Okay, just click OK, click OK. So criteria, and you can even pull year also, and you can give year filter as well. Okay. And in the table view, what I want to make this as a content paging, and I want to pull my year to the beginning. So just click on done. So you have 1999 best. So just save this. And now I'll create one more analysis on customer time year, customer region, fact sales, dollars, net weight shipped, units ordered, unit shipped, all the things. Just click on results. Time is at year level, customer is at region level. So why no data? Maybe it is written the wrong table. No issue. So instead of this, just pull region. We will see. Okay, and pull out this one also. Customer. So do you have all the values displayed, like central, customer, everything? Like just pull region in the beginning, customer here. So do you have all the values that are displayed, like on table properties as content paging? Just click on it. So just observe how many values are displayed. You should have 136 customers, right? You have 136 customers. Now I want to display only all the values which are coming from the previous analysis regions. Like suppose I have customer West region 1999, right? So I want to filter it from there. So how to use that option is go to filter. There is an option called as is based on the results of another analysis. Filter based on the results of another analysis. So first that report should execute, which already we saved. Based on those values, we are filtering this. So go for is based on the analysis. Browse the saved analysis as customer West region 1999, and here you have many columns. But whatever is there in region column, I want to have. So where what you have there only West. So just click OK. So region is equal to any region in the previous analysis. So just click results. So now you should only see West. You should not ever see other data also. You should have total 31. Like okay. And if you want to even filter for year also, what you can do, just go for year, control button, same option is based on the results of another analysis. Browse that West region 1999. What is the year that is equal to in any year there? So year is only 1999 there. So click on results and just click on all the options. You still have 29. Two customers don't have data for 1998, like that. Okay, data is only for 1999 in that West region 99. So here you will have region is equal to West, year is equal to 1999. Instead of that filter, I am giving yeah. Tell me, Gaurav.
Sir, can you please again show how results of one report are acting as a filter in another report? What
Okay,
is that option?
sure. Yeah, here you know how to save a particular report, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I saved customer West region 1999 with year, region, and corresponding one of the measure, or even if there is no measure also, no, don't worry. I have customer West region which has two dimensional columns where year is 1999 and region will always be displayed as West because I gave those filters. Now here in this report, I want to use those columns as filters. Okay. So how to do that? Go to customer, go to filter, sorry, not customer, region, go to filter, and I have an option called as is based on results of another analysis. You see this option?
Okay.
Select this
Yeah,
option and you have to browse the analysis that you want. So customer West region 1999, this from this region I want. So by default it will be here, the first column. So select all the things like I want region from there, from that report. Okay. So this region should be always will go and refer the region values in this. This doesn't have any east or central. So obviously that data will not come. So only you will see west data, right?
yes, got it.
Yeah, like that. Okay. Now editing SQL for a column filter. So you can even edit SQL also. So how to do that? So go to criteria. Just go here. Go here. Give a region filter as like this is equal to west. Click OK. So click on results. Even this will display 31 records only for region west. Now I want to display east record also, but in a different format. Like convert this filter to SQL is there, right? To SQL. Click on this option. Click OK. So this filter will be like this. Customer region is equal to west. Like normal SQL you write equal to west equal to west. So instead of equal to west, I do like this. Delete this in west, comma east. See, a lot of options are available. It is up to you how efficiently you can use them. So now you see east data also, right? And you should see west data also, both. You should have 87 records. And again remove west and just see east data.
Now we can give it a equal to.
You can only see east data. You cannot see west data. You have 56. 31 those records are removed. 31 records are removed. Go to criteria and you can see if you want to convert any column filter as a SQL, you can convert like this. And you can edit values manually. It is up to you how you want to select it. You can do in that way. You understood this, right? So
Yes.
it is purely based on options. Filter, convert this filter to SQL is there, right? So select that and click OK. This will convert to SQL.
Improvisation.
Yeah, improvisation. Yeah, however you want, you can go for it. And under add more options, if you want to give any variables or SQL expression, you can still give it. SQL expression also you can still give it. Value like same thing. You can select values also from here directly. You can click on search and you can give set of values also, not only one value. Suppose I want all these values. Select. Okay. Click OK. So I want all these customers. Click on it. So under each region you have only these three customers. Only those three are displayed. Alright. So anyhow, yeah, however you want, you can go ahead and use the filters. Okay. So this is how you use your SQL option and filters. So selecting and grouping data is little complex. We will discuss it in tomorrow's class. Okay. No issues.
Pratap, one question.
Yeah.